If your skateboard is squeaking and you want to get rid of that noise, just watch this video and I'll teach you exactly how to do it. So the reason your trucks are making this noise is because the hanger of your trucks is rubbing up against the pivot cup, just causing it to squeak. A lot of people think it's your bushings that actually make the noise, and it's not. One of the easiest ways to just fix this problem is taking a few drops of bearing lube and add it to the insides of your pivot cup. The other way to do this is by using shaved wax. The method is exactly the same. Start off by loosening the top nut on your trucks, then take the top washer off or bushing and remove the hanger. Once you've done this, shave a few pieces of wax off and then dump them into your pivot cups. Add the hanger back and then the bushing and tighten your trucks back down. All that the wax does is provide a small layer of lubrication, allowing that squeakiness to go away. Subscribe, follow, and like for more skate content.